Yeah, just go on.
Okay. So can you please share your concern with me? Actually, I have received a complaint on CEO Desk, so that is why I'm calling you. So
Hmm.
please share your concern. So I highlighted this concern to our management team and resolving the case.
Okay.
As I check your
I'll let you
okay.
simply explain the issue.
Mm-hmm.
I have a keyboard issue,
Okay.
so I need a keyboard replacement. Okay.
Okay.
Now my product is out of warranty.
Mm-hmm.
I should pay for the product, right?
Yes.
I have inquired in authorized service centers in Coimbatore, Palakkad, Bengaluru, and Chennai for the
Chennai
approximate price.
CPG.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I have received the lowest quote from Chennai for 6,114 rupees, 14 rupees. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
6,114 rupees, which is very cheaper. Okay. The other
Okay.
sites, they have quoted me 8,596, which is cheaper. Which will you go for buy?
Mm-hmm.
So I went to
For the
Chennai, traveled
same model
600
keyboard, right?
kilometers.
Okay. 250
600 kilometers I have traveled from my place. Okay. I gave the
Okay.
laptop to them. They quoted once again for 8,596. So I have discussed with them. You have first quoted me 6,100. Now you are saying 5,000,
Mm-hmm.
8,600. So after a few days, they have gave some a discount of 15 percentage. So
Okay.
approximately I paid around 7,500, and I got the laptop. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Before giving the laptop, I took the video of the laptop stating that the
Mm-hmm.
keyboard only is not working, but everything is working fine.
Okay.
After the
Okay.
replacement of the keyboard, the
Mm-hmm.
LG RGB LED under the panel of the laptop is flickering.
RGB.
RGB LED under the laptop. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
There is a LED lighting as it's a gaming laptop. Okay.
It
That
is
is
flickering.
flickering.
Okay.
Is that my issue? Is that is my responsibility? Am I responsible for that?
No, no, no. This is totally wrong, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
I asked for keyboard replacement. You have gave the replaced keyboard. Keyboard is working perfectly, but the RGB lighting is not working. And one more thing, let me clearly explain technically. The first laptop layer is the display layer. When we open the lid, there will be display. Next to that, the keyboard
Mm-hmm.
layer, and
Mm-hmm.
next below that is the motherboard, and next the last thing is the panel under the keyboard. The
Okay.
battery cannot be removed as it's not a non-removable battery. Okay. Oh, so if you want to replace the keyboard, you have to
Mm-hmm.
remove the bottom fourth layer of the panel. That has the RGB LED in it. Okay. So if you didn't properly remove it, the strip will get damaged in either in the LED panel or in the motherboard. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to remove the motherboard. Then you have to replace the keyboard, and you have
Got it.
to do reverse wise. You have to assemble the
Yes.
thing. So when I'm giving the laptop to the service center, it was working properly. I have uploaded into the YouTube on the day which I have took the video before the giving for the replacement. I have proof for that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After replacement, the flickering happens. Who is responsible? I am not responsible. So Asus have to bear, or Asus authorized service center
Who
have to
tell
bear.
you? Oh, who told you that they are not responsible?
Am I responsible?
Sorry.
I don't know.
Service
Am I
center.
responsible for this RGB LED flickering?
No. Okay. So, what service center said? What did you complain? Did you call them?
Yes, sir. Yes, they asked me to take away the laptop or else service the laptop. I said that I won't provide a single rupee for this. You have done it wrong. The Chennai Nungambakam CompuEdge Infocom authorized Asus Service Center said me so.
Chennai. Okay.
I have traveled about 2,500 kilometers
Understand.
and extra for this issue alone.
Okay, sir. Just be online. I connect the call to our CPG service center.
Mm.
Or hence, can you please give me some time? I am going to discuss with them about your concern. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'll call you again on conference if possible.
Mm.
Okay. I listen everything. Exactly what
Sir,
is your
I'm not
issue.
interested in arguing. I have evidential proofs for before and after
No,
giving
no, no.
the.
I
I,
am checking,
I
sir.
have
I'm checking.
already discussed with them, but they are
Mm-hmm.
just they are justifying
Okay.
themselves. I can't argue with them. I can't make conflict with them. Just inquire with them what have happened. I have
Okay.
this WhatsApp chat with the technician coordinator or some coordinator named Sita GM from
Just
CompuEdge Chennai Nungambakam. Okay, she told
Sita.
me she quoted me 52,000 rupees to change the motherboard on the strip. I have the quote
Mm-hmm.
also from them.
So please, can you share me those code, all code and
Everything
all
I
communication?
can share you. Everything
Yeah,
I can share
please
you.
share it with me and
Your
give
mail
me some
ID is
time. Yeah, I'll share you one acknowledgement mail. You can revert me on it.
mm. By
Okay.
morning, one person named Sahid spoke with me.
No, he was a call center for a team, and he highlighted me your case. And I'm calling from Asus Mumbai head branch. Okay,
Okay.
quality team. So don't worry, sir. I'll
Is this
take care of
number
it.
reachable? You called me from some number just a moment. This is your private number or some random
No,
numbers?
no. You can, if the call will not connect, then you can WhatsApp me.
Hmm.
The number is on WhatsApp also.
Okay, I'll do one thing. You just send me a mail. I'll explain the situations clearly and send a
Okay.
proper mail what have happened.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I have
Thank you very
every
much.
call recordings, video recordings, and what are the status happened.
No need recordings. If I need it, then I'll tell you to attach those recordings. Okay.
Okay. Should I to reply to Sahid or should I to reply to your mail which you are going to send?
No, no, no need. You just inform them that SPM team handling my case, and his name is Krishnakant. Okay.
Shri Krishnakant.
Yes,
Okay.
Krishnakant.
Okay. Send me a email so that I'll revert back to that email.
I'll just send you the acknowledgement mail. Okay,
Okay.
and you revert me on it, and I'll accordingly check your case with
So you
technical
are
department and
you
let
are Srikanth and mail will be coming from Srikanth. Is Krishnakant mail, right?
sorry.
You are Srikanth, right?
Yes,
And the mail will be coming from
I should.
Asus only. Okay.
Yes.
Just send the mail. I'll reply what is the situation have happened. Okay.
Just just wait. I'll send you my button now.
I couldn't get you. Come again.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes. Tell me your voice is too low. So
Okay. Just send me the mail.
yes, sir. I'll just send you. Just be
I'll
online.
reply to it properly and do whatever you can do. Else,
Okay.
I'll take my positions in a legal way.
Okay. So please check. Send. I have done to send you the technology.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. And please share. I'll check. Definitely, I'll let you know.
I'll be waiting for the email to revert back. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Thanks.